In today's video, we're walking through Wix store design hacks that help increase conversions. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you already have a Wix online store or you're about to launch one, this tutorial is going to show you how to tweak your design to turn more visitors into paying customers. These are simple, no-code tips that make a really big difference. Things like layout changes, product presentation, and user flow that guide shoppers naturally to checkout. You don't need a background in design or marketing. Honestly, just a willingness to make a few smart adjustments that instantly make your store feel more professional and trustworthy. Let's dive in. So first off, what is Wix? Wix is a website builder that lets you create a complete online store using a drag and drop editor, no coding needed. It includes everything from templates and product pages to payment integrations and marketing automation. Wix has gotten so much more powerful in the last few years. They offer customization options that honestly rival Shopify or Squarespace. The best part is that all of your store design, product management, and checkout settings live in one dashboard. And because Wix gives you total creative control, small changes to your design can have a huge impact on how people shop on your site and ultimately whether they actually buy or not. Now, why store design actually matters. When people visit your store, design is the first thing they notice. Before they read your copy or look at your prices, they make a split-second judgment about whether they trust you or not. A clean, modern, and easy to navigate layout signals professionalism and builds confidence. On the other hand, cluttered pages, inconsistent colors, or too many distractions can make people click away before they ever add anything to their cart. The goal of your store design isn't just to look pretty, it's to make shopping feel effortless. Every button, image, and section should gently guide people towards checkout. Now let's get into design hacks that actually convert. If you don't already have a free Wix account, make sure you use our link down in the description below. So once you click that link, all you'll go ahead and do is enter in your email address, and you can go ahead and click start now, and you can get signed up with a free account. Now, once we are in, we're going to go ahead and click create new site. We're going to go ahead and skip the AI for now. We're going to create an online store that sells workout clothes, Pilates, soft, feminine, elegant, cool. Okay, the beauty of Wix is that it really customizes so much for you. So what do you want to call your site? We'll just use one of theirs. Maybe Radiant Pilates Love. Okay, what are your goals? Drive online sales. Yeah, we're just going to leave it as drive online sales. Okay, so now we'll need to add apps that we need. So honestly, I don't think we need much other than sell products. We don't need bookings since we're not doing any coaching or anything like that. Okay, we'll go ahead and just stick with that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go straight to design site. Let's go ahead and pick a template. Okay, they've definitely given us some good options here. Again, what I love about Wix is they take everything you say into account and then they find something that matches. Let's go ahead and just edit this one. Now, design hack number 1 is to simplify your homepage. The first design rule is simplicity. Most store owners try to cram too much on their homepage, too many products, pop-ups, and banners that overload visitors. So instead, keep your homepage focused on one clear goal, getting people to click into your best-selling or featured collection. Use one strong hero image with the short headline and call to action like shop the new collection or start your glow routine. And then below that, include a small product grid of 3 to 6 bestsellers and a few trust-building sections like reviews or testimonials. You definitely want to remove anything that doesn't guide shoppers forward. When the homepage feels calm and intentional, people stay longer and are more likely to explore your products. Now, let's see how this template did. Okay, love it. We've got the hero. We've got our products. So even this, right? Like this is great, but there is so much on here. We probably could remove this. Definitely love the call to action to discover new arrivals. And we definitely want to have, a simple call to action to maybe like view our whole collection, right? So we can come in here and edit this, and Wix makes it super easy. If we want to, maybe this vision right here, we can go ahead and just delete that whole section. Why choose us? Maybe we want to swap this out to do testimonials instead. So we can come over here, we can search testimonial. We want to add a section. So we'll go to the sections right here, and then we'll go to testimonials, and we'll definitely want to add some testimonials in here. Perfect. We'll probably want to move this down underneath. Amazing. Okay, so you want to come in here and make those adjustments on your home page. Remember to keep it clear and intentional. Number 2 is to use consistent fonts and colors. Your branding really needs to feel unified from start to finish. In Wix, you can customize your site theme under design settings. You can choose 1 or 2 fonts max, one for headings, one for body text, and stick to them. For colors, I also recommend not using more than 3, a main brand color, a secondary accent, and a neutral background. This consistency helps your store feel cohesive and professional. Honestly, I've created so many websites in my career, and I always, in the past, I used to try to do the most. I would do a million colors, and it always looked messy. Simplifying it just made my whole brand look so much more cohesive. If your product photos already have strong colors, keep your site background light and neutral to let the product stand out. Clean, consistent design instantly makes your store feel higher end, even if you're just getting started. Even this template that we chose, it's pretty much just black and white, which is great. It looks very high end, it looks very clean, but if you wanted to go ahead and update that, we can change the theme right here. Again, see, these are the colors. They have some other colors and themes that you can choose from right here. You can even completely customize them as well. So if you wanted to come in here and change them yourself, you can add a color by just clicking right here and dragging, adding the hex code. Same with text. You can come in here and change all of the text if you would like. It will have you come in here and you can search. You can also upload fonts as well. But this way it keeps it super, super clean. Step number 3 is to optimize product images. Product photography is where most conversions are won or lost. And Wix lets you upload multiple product photos, but it's not just about quantity, it's about quality and consistency. Use bright natural lighting and shoot products against a simple background. Include at least one lifestyle image, something that really shows your product being used in real time. This helps buyers imagine it in their own hands. Also, make sure every image is the same size and shape. Uneven photo dimensions can make your product grid look really messy and distract customers from the actual product itself. In Wix, you can go to your product gallery settings and select crop to fit to maintain a consistent layout. As you can see, these are all very consistent. You can see all of the products right here. So again, clean, minimalistic is going to be the best bet. And as you can see, even though these are colored, which is why I like that this template is mainly black and white, then the products really stand out with their individual colors. Step number 4 is to make navigation effortless. So your menu bar should be super simple and easy to scan. Too many links confuse people and just make it harder for them to find what they're actually looking for. Keep your top navigation to 4 to 5 options max, something like shop, about, content, FAQ, and cart. As you can see, we literally have shop, home, contact, and our cart. If you have multiple categories like, maybe women's, men's, leggings, whatever it may be, make sure you use drop-down menus so everything stays tidy. You can add a search icon in the header so customers can quickly look up specific products as well. Inside Wix, you can adjust your header layout under the menu and pages, site header. A clear and minimal header improves the user experience instantly. Okay, so to edit, you just come up here. You can click quick edit and it will be brought up right here. You also can come over here to pages and menu and you can customize it right here. Number 5 is highlight one call to action per page. So each page should have one main goal. On your product page, that's the add to cart button. Don't clutter the layout with too many other links or distractions. Place your call to action above the fold, meaning visible without scrolling, and make sure the button color stands out from the rest of the page. You can change your button color easily in Wix by clicking design, button settings, and then choose a contrasting color that draws attention but still fits your brand palette. When people don't have to search for what to click, they're far more likely to buy. Okay, so as you can see, this is super easy to buy. If you want to update this at all, you can go ahead and select design, and then we have got themed buttons, and then you can customize it completely as well. Number 6 is to optimize product descriptions for scannability. Most people skim product descriptions, so make them really easy to read. Use short sentences and clear subheadings like how it works, what's included, etc. In Wix, use bold formatting to highlight key benefits or important details, and definitely avoid long paragraphs. Aim for 3 to 4 short lines per section. Also, I recommend move your most persuasive information to the top of the description. If someone only reads the first few lines, they should still know what makes your product valuable. A well-structured description keeps shoppers interested instead of feeling overwhelmed. overwhelmed. Number 7 is to add social proof strategically. People trust other people more than they trust brands. Adding reviews, testimonials, or user-generated content can dramatically boost conversions. Wix makes this easy through the product reviews app or by embedding testimonial sections directly into your page design. Place reviews near your product description or just above your add to cart button. That's where people need the most reassurance. You can also include a small featured in section on your homepage if your brand has been mentioned in blogs, magazines, or influencer videos. Even a few lines of positive feedback can go a long way. Number 8 is to simplify the checkout flow. Your checkout process should feel as easy as possible. Wix lets you customize it under store checkout settings. Turn on guest checkout so people can buy without creating an account. Autofill shipping info when possible and remove unnecessary form fields. Also keep the checkout design minimal. No pop-ups, no sidebars, and no distractions. Show a progress bar or clear steps like shipping, payment, confirmation so customers know exactly where they are in the process. Every click you remove increases your chance of completing the sale. Number 9 is to add a clear return policy and guarantee. Customers want to know that they're protected if something does go wrong. Add a short line near checkout or under your product description that says something like 30-day money-back guarantee or free returns within 14 days. You can create a simple return page in Wix and link it to your footer. It doesn't need to be long, just clear and reassuring. This one small trust signal often gives hesitant shoppers the final push to purchase. Now, lastly, let's talk about some bonus tips. Once your store is live, your design should keep evolving. Check your Wix analytics to see which pages have the highest bounce rates or where people drop off in checkout. Small tweaks like changing your hero image, headline, or button color can make such a big difference. You can also use Wix's built-in A/B testing tools to test 2 versions of a product page and see which one converts better. Run your test for at least a week before deciding which one performs best. And finally, keep your visuals fresh. Update your product photos seasonally, feature limited time offers, and swap homepage banners every few months. Stores that look active and well maintained always convert higher than ones that feel outdated. Now, let's quickly touch on some of the pros and cons so you can decide if Wix is the e-commerce platform for you. The biggest benefit of using Wix for your online store is just how visual and flexible it is. You can adjust every detail of your site without touching code. That means you can experiment with new layouts, change product placements, or test banner designs anytime you want. The only downside is that too much creative freedom can lead to clutter if you're not super intentional. Stick with clean layouts, white space, and consistent colors to avoid overwhelming your visitors. Okay, now let's touch on the different plans and pricing options. So like I said, they do have a free plan that you can customize your whole store, but it will have the Wix branding, and there's a lot of things you can't do, especially with e-commerce. So they do have a light plan, but I'm not really going to touch on it because they don't have any e-commerce. But the core plan is where you get access to the basic e-commerce, and this is $29 per month. With this, you get 5 collaborators, 50 gigabytes of storage, the basic marketing suite, and you can accept payments. Then we've got the business plan, which is $39 a month, and you get the standard e-commerce. You get more collaborators, more storage space, upgraded marketing suite. And then lastly is the business elite plan, which is $79 per month. With this, you get the advanced e-commerce and advanced developer plan. You also get unlimited storage space and 100 collaborators. Each of these plans, you get a free domain for a year, which is cool. A nice added bonus. What's cool about Wix is it can just grow with you. You can start with the core plan, and then once you need to upgrade to the standard or advanced e-commerce, you can move up from there. But again, you can get started with the free plan, which is pretty cool. So you can kind of design your whole website and really see Wix's layout and how you like editing in there. So should you use Wix for your store? If you want a beautiful, customizable store that's super easy to manage, Wix is such a great choice. It's perfect for small business owners, creators, and boutique brands who care about aesthetics and want full control over design. With a few smart design hacks like clean navigation, high quality images, and a simplified checkout, you can compete with much larger brands and still keep everything manageable from one dashboard. Wix is definitely one of my absolute favorite website editing tools. I just love how easy it is to navigate and how they have so many beautiful templates. It's honestly hard to beat. As a personal note, I do know and understand how overwhelming it can be to try to make your store look perfect, but you don't need to overthink it. A few small tweaks can completely change how people people experience your site. If you're ready to get started designing your Wix store, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below and get started for free. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is all about helping e-commerce founders build smarter, faster, and with less overwhelm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.